Hello friends, I welcome to my channel. In this video I will continue the Google Slides tutorial. So this is part 2. You can find the part 1 in my description box. So let's start. So we'll open Google Slides and choose a new presentation. So I'm saying clearly that in this video I will say you about text formatting, paragraph formatting, and how to change the color of the text box. So let's start without wasting any time. So we have to type anything. So I am typing so that you can find. You can see here I have written something. Now we'll edit it. We'll just click here, and here you can see alphabet A and some 4 lines. Click here, and here we have so many options. So we'll choose one by one, so it will be easy. So first I'll choose first one, like. If you want to select only one word or one letter, you have to just tap on it, and you have to hold it on the word which you want. It gets selected. So we'll go here, and I'm making it bold. Now I'm removing bold. You can also, if you tap again, it gets removed. See, now we can see italic, underlined, and it's also, we can, now we'll choose another word. Now for this you can see strike. We can also, we'll choose another word to do, and here you can see the superscript. You can see it will come up like in mathematics we write powers. Now this is useful for that, and we'll choose another word, and we choose here, and we make it subscript. You can see here this is useful in chemistry we write formulas right down. This is useful for that. We'll make it normal again, and now we'll select the total box. So just tap on the box, it gets selected. Now we can change the font. You can select any one. Here some are given, so I choose caveat. You can see right now here you can change the size. You can decrease it by clicking here, and increase it by clicking here. And this is the text color. You can choose any one text color. You can drag here, and it shows varieties in the same color, derived from the same color. So I choose this color, and now we can also highlight the text. So we can choose any one color, right? I choose any one color. I choose this. Okay, it's alright for me. Now here we have another option called clear formatting. So if we click here, all the formatting will get erased, and I will go to paragraph. So this is left indentation, means if you click here, all the text will go to this side, means it will start from that side. And this is middle, and this is default mostly, and this is right, and this is justify. And if we click here, it gets up. Let me increase the box size, then you can understand. See, if I click here, it gets middle. If I click here, it gets in the middle. If I click top, middle, bottom, and here you can adjust here only something off. So you can see, and here you can also add numbering. And if you click again, it gets disabled. And here in the same way, bullets. And now line spacing means it adjusts the space between two lines. For example, you can see right, there is a space between two lines which was not there before. Now we'll say shape, means the total text box it will took. Now here we can fill any one color. I'm choosing this color. In the same way we can choose border color. You can choose any one border color. Let me choose red, and this is border weight, so we can adjust it. I kept it 4 pixels. See, now you can see the border. Now here you can see border dash, means border style. You can choose any one. So I choose this, and I'll show you. You can see. And now we are drop shadow. we have, if we click like this, it gets enabled. And here we can choose the color, any one for the shadow. And here we can adjust transparency, angle and distance. Here you can see, here it's getting, and also the blur radius. And in the same way we have reflection. See, here you can see the reflection. What all options you have for shadow, most of them are available in the reflection too. You can adjust it like transparency, distance and size. And here autofit text means here we have options like do not autofit, string text to on overflow, resize shape to fit text. This you can use it if it finds for you useful. And thank you. And please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share this video. Thank you.